Hello, today I'm so excited to unbox Lion Brand's new mystery box. It just came in the mail right now and I'm so ready to unbox it and see what yarns I got. The Lion Brand mystery box is $9.99 right now. I think they might be out of stock, and with that you get 3 different kinds of yarn and you get 3 of each one. So let's just go ahead and see what's in my box. Okay. I did forget to mention that I ordered the 4-weight box. Looks like I got the Lion Brand Textures yarn. It is very neat looking. I'll open this up in just a second. I also got the Lion Brand Amazing yarn. And I got Lion Brand's Heartland yarn. The Lion Brand Heartland yarn is one of my favorite yarns, so I'm really excited that I got this one in my box. The color is called Denali. And I really like this yarn. It's really pretty. I already know it's really soft because I work with it a lot. It's one of my favorite yarns. So I'm very excited that this was in my box. The Amazing yarn I've worked with, but it's been a very long time since I've worked with it, so maybe I can come up with something else with this. And the colorway for this one is called Strawberry Fields, and it is really pretty. And then this yarn, the textured yarn, I have never worked with before. This is called Mountain Dawn is the colorway. And I'm going to go ahead and open this one up because I've never worked with it before and I want to feel what it feels like. So it is a textured yarn. It feels pretty nice and the colors are really pretty. So I think I'll have a lot of fun working with this yarn and coming up with a design with it. So you can follow me on my social media and see what I make with all this Lion Brand yarn. Did y'all order a mystery box? What weight did you get? What colors did you get? Did you like it? Comment below. I'd love to know. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe now, and if you want to, you can hit the notification bell so every time I upload a new video, YouTube will notify you. I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. Until next time, bye!